Alright folks, I'm standing in front of house number 30 in Costa del Sol, Playa Bejuco, Costa Rica, Central Pacific. That's the entrance over there and the pool common areas. Let's go ahead and go on in. This is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath home, sold, fully furnished with everything you see. Nice big open kitchen with granite countertops, stainless steel appliances. AC splits in every room. Ceiling fans throughout. Go into the kitchen, you got a nice big spacious garage, I should say, not kitchen. Let's go into the bedrooms. 2-bedroom, 2-bath. There's actually a window behind this dresser. Built-in closets. Spacious bathroom. Got an entrance from the living room as well as the bedroom. Let's go over to the master bedroom. Again, nice and spacious. This community is comprised of 127 homes. The Homeowners Association fee every month is $215, and that includes your gardener. This is the en-suite bathroom. Nice big shower. And I'm going to take you out now to the backyard. If you want to put a pool in, pools start at about $15,000. It's already got a dog fence. Pets are allowed here at Costa del Sol. These are freestanding homes. And this house is actually the closest home to the community pools and the main entrance. So it's one of the closest homes actually to the beach, which is about 200 meters from this entrance. Click on the link below and you'll see more information, updated price, pictures, etc., etc. Thank you for watching.